The Growth Faculty presents Winning Sales Strategies. Get ready to accelerate your business growth and learn from Jack's 20 years of field experience and proven techniques to drive sales, boost profits, and build a world-class sales organization. Jack Daly.
The key to growing your company is to grow your sales force in quantity and quality. When you care more about your customer than you do about the sale, you sell more than anyone else out there.
Jack's experience includes building 6 businesses from scratch to national firms, 2 of which sold on Wall Street. He is also ranked number 10 on the Inc. 500 fastest growing companies and was recognized as Entrepreneur of the Year by Ernst & Young. So be sure not to miss the Growth Faculty's highly anticipated event, Winning Sales Strategies, Driving Sales, Boosting Profits, presented by Jack Daly. Sydney, Melbourne and Brisbane.